Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create a listing in eBay using CJDropshipping. So let's get started. So here we are in the Google search of CJDropshipping because we want to go into the website of CJDropshipping. So we're going to go here and we want to open that tab right there. And here we are in CJDropshipping. So first thing that you want to do is of course register to your account. We can just ignore this one. We want to register here. And to register is really simple. You can just provide your details right here, and after this you need to provide your phone number. But if you don't want that and you want it to be less hassle, then you can create an account using one of these platforms right here. You just need to connect your WhatsApp, your Facebook, your Google, your Apple, or your Shopify. So once you have done that, then you will be registered in CJ Dropshipping. The next thing you can do is go to eBay, because we also need to register our accounts in eBay right here. So what you want to do is go here, hover onto the notification bell icon, and we want to go sign in right here. And you can sign in using this one, or you could sign in using your Facebook, Google, or Apple. I recommend using one of these three because this is more easier. This is with less hassle. So once you have done that, once you have entered your details right there and you have successfully registered from these two sites, then we can now proceed. Let's say we are done with that. So now we are here in CJ Dropshipping. So here we are, and what you want to do first is go here into your account right here, hover on your name right here and go to account. And once you have done that, you're gonna go here on authorization, and you wanna go here, look here for eBay, and we wanna scroll down right here, and it says eBay right here. And what we wanna do is go and add store right there. Click on add store, and in here we want to agree and continue right here. Review the terms and policies if you'd like. Right there, authorization store success. So now that it has been successfully authorized, we can now go back and check right there. And as you can see, it has been authorized automatically because I have my eBay account right here signed in into the eBay website and my browser. So you need to sign in first before going here into the authorization of CJ Dropshipping, so that the process would be the same as me. It would be hassle free. All you need to do was to click on authorize and agree, and that's it. Your store is now authorized right here. So now that I have done that, let's go to eBay right here and make sure that your account right here, let's go on my eBay right here and go into selling. So here we need to provide our contact info because this is a new eBay account that I have just made, so I need to provide everything right here. And that could be the same thing for you, and if so, you need to provide everything that you need to fill up the information right here. And after you have provided everything, your registration and eBay is complete, you will be prompted right here. So let's just go and okay, got it. And now what you want to do is go here in my eBay right here and go to selling right there, and you want to take note of the summary right here. What you want to do is go here and you want to copy this. By the way, you can see it in anywhere right here, but here this is the important detail that you want to copy right here. You want to remember this one. So once you're done, then you could go here and make sure that your account is verified. You have provided all the details right here. Say account. Here is the personal information. Let's go back to account right here. The personal information, payment, your selling, everything that you need to provide right here is all completed. So once you have done that, let's go back to CJ Dropshipping. And now we can add our products from eBay. Let's just search eBay right here. eBay right there. As you can see, you have the eBay option right here. If you want to view it, let's go open it in a new tab right there, just to check that we have our store right there. And now we're gonna check, we're gonna choose the product that we want to sell on eBay right here. So what we want to sell, let's say we want to sell, let's go for electronics right here. Mouse. We want a mouse to sell, a mouse right here, so we need to search mouse right there. And as you can see, are the products that you can sell on your store. And as you can see, these are the list numbers of how many of them has been listed, how many people listed this specific item. So we're gonna go for a high listing item, but not so high that it has a lot of competition. Let's say I think this one is good, and what we want to do is simply click on it so we could view the details right there. We could see it right here. We could even see the ratings right here and the price right here. You can contact the supplier right here if you have any questions, and you can see the shipping fee, the service fee, and total price. And there is a notice that service fee and remote fee not included. And you could basically choose or the options right here. What we want to do is add to queue, but you might want to review the estimated processing time, because this is very important in keeping your business alive, because this is where most customers would mostly complain about. So you want to take note of that, and this one is specifically low, so this is very good. So once you have reviewed all of this and all of it is good right there, then you want to go click here on add to queue. Once you have added it to queue successfully, what you want to do is go here into queue right here. Let's go click queue right here, and now we want to exit right here, and we have the items right here that we have added to queue. Let's just delete this one because I just accidentally clicked this earlier. And here we are in the keyboard mouse set, keyboard mouse, because this is the one that we have listed in our queue. So we want to list now so that we can list it on our eBay right here. And here it is. As you can see, it has a notice that says please make sure the total quantity of the product listed does not exist. The listing limit on eBay as products will be removed once the inventory runs out. So as you can see here, it is indicated on how much items left to sell on eBay. I have 0, and my account limit is also 0 right there. And you could refresh it in this button, and it is like this because my account is new, so you might want to check it out here on how to increase listing quantities in eBay. You could check this out right there, and you could read everything right here as you can see the details on how you could do that. So once you have done that, you have now a balance right here on how many items you can sell on eBay. Then you're good to go to proceed, and what we're gonna do is simply check the ship from and if it is right, and this listing site right here we want it to be in US or depending on the country that you want. And in here, of course, the most important thing is to indicate your price. This price is 15, and with added shipping fee and service fee. So let's say we want it to be 30, so we could profit from the CJ price right there. And this RRP, need to take note of this because this is the recommended retail price product from the consumer price. So let's say we just want to go for that one. So let's say I want to go 80, just a little above that, and 80, 80, 80, and oh, let's go with higher because it says it's lower. Then you're gonna go, let's go for 100 right there. There, now it's all good. Now here in the listing quantity, you want to take note of this because it says right here that you should take note of the total quantity of the product that is available on eBay. So eBay usually just allows 200 products to be listed every month for small accounts, so you want to take note of that. Let's say we just want 10 of this in each variant. Right here we want 10 only, and that is it. And you want to check this if it is right. If you agree to this one, ship my orders most to South United States of America, or you could choose other countries right here, and your shipping method, of course, you could go choose anything right here. You could choose Post NL or other CJ services. And now once you have done that, you can now click on list now. But as you can see, I don't have any balances right here. That's why I cannot proceed right there. So but if you already have one, and you have read this one right here on how to increase listing quantities on eBay, then you are good to go. You can just go click on list now, and it should appear here in your eBay store right here. And that is basically how you can list your items in eBay using CJ Dropshipping. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.